Hello everybody, welcome again. Today we are going to talk about Ramadan. Are you ready? Let's get started. I love Ramadan. It's very special. I enjoy the atmosphere of everyone fasting together. It makes fasting easier for me. Our street goes silent when it's time to break our fast. I know everyone is eating at the same time. I get excited when I see my mother preparing cakes, bread, and other things for Ramadan. In my opinion, Ramadan is the most magical time. I love to spend my evenings in the mosque praying. Remember, the most important thing: do good deeds in Ramadan. Help the poor and the needy. Pray, read the Quran, and make dua. This is all for now. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. Happy Ramadan.